travel mode. So rather than bolt them down, I'm just going to strap them to these mounting points that the van's already got, and that holds them up, holds them in place. They're not going to fall out. They skidded around a little bit yesterday when I went for a drive, so this is a good solution because it means I can easily just take them straight out again without bolting them down. I just stapled the crease here just to keep the grass looking all right, and got steps lashed in, and I got the desk lashed in as well, another mounting point just behind here. So it does pull it forwards a little bit, but it kind of doesn't matter, the desk doesn't move, and so this is just a double security. Obviously as soon as you arrive you can just unlash and you're good to go. Sweet. In full work mode today. Empty boxes, full boxes, beer tap, keep the grass clean, mat, and LED light strips. Oh, they went out great, really pleased. They just click in. It's called Pimp My Panel, and obviously they can switch to lots of different colours. So yeah, pretty pleased with those. And I ran the white cable from the end of this LED strip down the back of here, tucks it into this sticky stuff that I put on in the past, ran it down the back of this thing and into this plug here. And the difficult one, obviously on the other side of the van, found a black extension cable, which again I ran down inside the what's it called, inside the fairing here. It just tucks in down the back. There's a gap there, look. So it tucks it in down the back of that and down out the bottom, and then there's a handy channel in front of the floor where I can just drop the cable into there, run it across, and then it pops out the other end and plugs in as well. So as soon as you unplug it from here, the lights will go off, and then I've got another plug here to come out and into the next 5 plugger to do the coffee machine, and don't tell Fabs, the air fryer. We're going air frying camping, see if that works. It'll be great. Got plenty of room on this table. Always wanted an air fryer, so I thought I'd pimp the van with an air fryer. Let's see how that works next weekend. So I'm going to basically, well, we are going to go camping, not this weekend, next weekend. So I've got another week to fully pimp it out. And oh yeah, a few little additions. Got like a new, not a new, that's my old fridge. So I went up to the storeroom and got all the stuff out that I've got stored. And that's one of my beer fridges that I had in the bar, and that fits handily there. So yeah, we progress, and camping in 10 days. So I've got plenty of time. I'm gonna run those down the side there and actually staple them on the side. I've again, Fab's commented that she didn't like her outside lounge furniture cushions to be used that much in the van or to sleep on. So again, every van build must hit Amazon at some point. So I hit Amazon and I've got 2 really nice stackable 3 cushion beds, 14 centimeter deep, medium firm, good for long-term sleeping, fold out mattresses with a attached sort of folding pillow thing. So they should fit on there great. The folding pillow thing will either drop into there or it will stay, you can fold it up onto the thing, and then you've got like a chaise longue. So they're going to look awesome. I also, what else did I get? Oh yeah, water is obviously a problem, so we've got no sink. So I found a thing called BOXIO, and BOXIO do a little squeezy pump that pressurizes the system, and then you can turn the tap on as normal and it comes out into one of these Euro-sized boxes, which is a winner because I've got loads of those green Euro-sized boxes. So they also do a cutting board that fits perfectly onto a Euro box. So here we could have a sink and brush your teeth, do whatever, and then next to it either a green one with the cutting board on it so you can chop and wash and prepare. So I've not told Fabs about the BOXIO either. So that's coming Tuesday, hopefully. So the air fryer's coming on Tuesday as well. So we're going to be fully pimped in here by the end of next week. Did buy something else as well on Amazon, but I can't remember what it was. Oh yeah, some air fryer bits and bobs, like a thing to put your chicken in so that it doesn't get all dirty. A silicone chicken holder while you're cooking. And so yeah, all good. Very happy with the build so far. And there was one other thing on the no, that was it. That was all I got from Amazon. 4 things, about $700 on Amazon, including the air fryer. So I'm about $1,500 in at the moment, but oh yeah, I've also brought down the beer tap, obviously, because that beer tap will go on there and a keg will go in here, and that's a little oil radiator that I brought down just in case it gets a bit chilly in the evenings. And there's a couple of kegs that were at 2 different parties and came back, so I've got to finish those little bad boys off. Perfect for the initial camping trip. So yeah, there we go, there's the update. And this is sort of week 2, and week 3 will be the I'll show you what it's like when we're camping vid. Cheers. Giving the outside some TLC. Jekyll and Hyde. Yeah, the old Sonax renovation. A little bit streaky, but I have to say it's 20 times better. Way better. Looks good. Needs to dry out, and I think these streaks will go anyway. Got about half the thing left, which is about right. But a massive difference. This looks really old and scratched, and the other side was like that. You see those scratches there, but when you're a bit further away now you can't see those scratches at all. Good job. Middle of week 2, camping -2 days, and the side mosquito nets have arrived. Magnetic, they're fantastic. So they can magnet up all the time inside, or you can just stick it on this outside flat level. They've got magnets all around these little edges. Alright, €45 off Amazon. So we have protection. So inside, I basically found that the shelves, the drawers didn't stay put when I was driving. So I've got some like child locks, but then I put these seat pads that go onto the seats. And they're going to make up a headboard as well. We're going to stick them down the side here along there, so that we've got something to sleep up against, not a metal wall. But these hold the drawers back in, and they hold the toilet. I fitted a little cover for the toilet. It's so cute. And put the beer fridge in. And today, the kitchen arrived. Well, the toilet and the shower arrived. So that's the chopping block that fits onto that ridge, which is very nice. And here is the BOXIO. Had a haircut as well for the trip. So the BOXIO goes around like that, and that goes in like that, and you pump that, and you got running water. Just enough to clean your teeth with. Boil or rinse your hands. You can put it outside obviously, or inside. So I'm super chuffed with that. There's a 5 litre fresh water and a 5 litre waste tank, and we're in business. So we can rinse our hands, which is a major great thing. Obviously if you've got a loo, you want to be able to rinse your hands. It means we've got fresh water. We can fill the 5 litre tanks up. Can I just show you those 5 litre tanks, because they're mega cool. So 2 5 litre tanks. They've got carrying tops as well, so you don't slosh your either clean water or dirty water around when you're taking these to the dump and fill station. So I'm probably going to take this trolley with us So you can just put the whole BOXIO on the trolley and trundle off into town, into the campsite, and fill it with fresh and dump your grey. Today drinking a high hops IPA, gluten free. Says somewhere, gluten free. I found the 2 chairs fit very nicely down the side here, which is a winner. So now we've got 2 tables, 2 chairs, and the kitchen and the fridge. What else did I do? Oh yeah, I put up a middle curtain. So we didn't have a middle curtain here, but I figured if we put a middle curtain here, it means I don't have to deal with, blacking out this really odd shaped massive window. And we can just draw the curtain across, and then during the day we can have the white blowing in the wind curtain, or the dark out black curtain as well. So I've got 1 more of these rods coming, and we've got another set of these blue and white curtains that fit across the back, and I've got also another insect net coming that's going to magnet around the back doors there, which is going to be great to have that insect net fully blocking everything. I think that's probably all I've done in the last couple of days. Yeah, this pole was really cool. There's holes that go around down this post here, and the shower curtain just fits into it. So that's sweet. So that's not going anywhere. It's solid as you like, straight through that hole. And the same in the back end when that comes. The other one just slots into these 2 holes. And then the mozzie curtain's just going to run the length of the inside of the door, which is all metal, so all the magnets will just stick to it, which is a winner. Winner. Getting there. Nearly ready to go. Getting excited. The beds are going to work. The mattresses have arrived. They take 48 hours to fluff up from their vacuum pack state. That little sink's great. Love it. Yeah, so the bed cushions are now re-inflating, so we're going to see what that's going to be like probably tomorrow. And then we're going to go Friday and Saturday. Sunday's pissing with rain, so we're probably just going to do an overnighter just to give it a test run. So as soon as I've filled it with stuff for the trip, I'll update you again, and also update you when we get on the camping so you can see the pad as is. Oh yeah, and there's space there for the air fryer. So I got a top stack, what's it called? Dual stack XL air fryer, 2 drawers above each other, both 9 litres, or yeah, I'm not sure about both 9 litres, but pretty sweet. So that's just going to sit there. So instead of buying a Barbie, I bought an air fryer, which I think will be great. I think the camping should have enough power, certainly in Switzerland. And if you've got an air fryer, you can just do everything in that. You don't need a Barbie. It should be a winner if I get allowed to take it out of the kitchen where I've just put it. But it's the campervan air fryer that is being borrowed by the house kitchen at the moment. Yeah, I'm not going to go away with that. All right, cheers.